Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to make an infograph out of Photoshop, Paint Tools High, and PowerPoint. So first is choosing a topic. So for this infograph, I chose the topic Tips for Thrifting. Next, we'll have the digital design of the infograph. Using Paint Tools High and a drawing tablet, we will make a digital art that we will later on use for our infograph.
Good morning, sun. How are you? Skies above. Gee, it's great to be alive in love. Good morning, sun. Good morning, life. Good morning, sun. How are you? Skies above. Gee, it's great to be alive in love. Good morning, sun. Good morning, sun. Good morning, life. Good morning, sun. How are you? Skies above. Gee, it's great to be alive and in love.
After making some, we will save the art in a PNG form. Next, we will add some coloring touches in PowerPoint. To make this, we just need to add a shape and edit the points according to the design.
Vakten alla var fest, fullfest hela dagen. Mjöl från livets grottekvarn. Fullfest hela dagen.
After that, we just need to group them and save them as a picture. After making an element, we can now proceed into editing in Photoshop. For this, you just need an input for the size and pick the color that you want.
Alla var fest, fullfest hela dagen. Mjöl från livets grottekvarn.
Then, open your digital art and paste it to your infograph.
Det har vi alltid gjort, så det
Start adding the title of your infograph.
Alla var fest, fullfest hela dagen. Mjöl från livets grottekvarn. Fullfest hela dagen. Stort, det har vi alltid gjort, så det är jävla för att gå glad, ja. Det har vi alltid gjort, så det är fullfest hela dagen.
You can also get icons and elements online. After saving them, you can add touches on PowerPoint. Then, go back to Photoshop and start adding the icons and elements. Add also readable text. And that's it! We now have the infograph. Don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms. This is Mikey, batch 19 to 20, 11 STEM 1 represent. Hot dog.